How to fix screenshots not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart phone. Just click and hold side button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. After restarting, if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screenshots not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.